Recent NTA updated the new syllabus of NEET UG 2024. When we look into it, it is notified to all the stakeholders, especially to the aspiring candidates, that the Undergraduate Medical Education Board and autonomous body under National Medical Commission has finalized the NEET UG 2024 syllabus. In case of physics, there is no prominent changes as per syllabus. So it is almost nearly equal to the previous year syllabus. So there is not much change year syllabus. So there is not much change. Okay, all the chapters, as you can see in the link in the description, you can check it out. Chemistry syllabus. First, we look into the deleted syllabus. So in case of class 11, states of matter is deleted and hydrogen is deleted, environmental chemistry is deleted, S block is also deleted. Class 12 in chemistry, the deleted chapters are solid state, surface chemistry, general principles and process of isolation of elements, which means metallurgy related, is deleted, and polymers is also deleted. Chemistry in everyday life is also deleted. As you can see, in these chapters, we have also mentioned that experimental skills portion of unit, it is considered as a unit and mentioned in physics and chemistry. So we have to see this also. In case of biology syllabus, there is a reduction and so a few concepts are added onto the biology syllabus. As you can see, in case of class 11, deleted chapters are first we can take the taxonomic gates, which is a concept is deleted from the living world chapter. After this, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae are not mentioned in the syllabus. That means we have to assume it as this is also deleted. This was confirmed because it is not mentioned in the syllabus. So it is deleted. After this, transport in plants deleted. Mineral nutrition deleted. Digestion and absorption is also deleted. Class 11, what are added onto it, which are frog. So as you can see in the syllabus PDF, you can see insect and bracket. In the bracket, frog is mentioned. So here is the possibility insect and frog, or it is a spelling mistake of animal instead of insect. So we are on. So here frog is confirmed in the syllabus. So we have to study the frog mandatory. So adding on to this, look into the cockroach. Okay, on the safer side, we have to study the cockroach also. Families are added: Malvaceae, Cruciferae, Leguminosae, Compositae, Graminae. These families are added in class 11. Now we are going to the class 12. As you can see, the deleted chapters are environmental issues, reproduction in organisms deleted, strategies for enhancement in food production is also deleted. Now what are added in class 12? Dengue and chikungunya, which are added in human health and diseases. So we have to study them. You can see in our channel, question practice sessions are held. You can see for physics, chemistry and biology. For your NEET preparation or any competitive preparation in BPC related, my videos gonna help you. I hope you can check them out in our channel. If you like our videos, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. You can check this on the PDF, which is given link below in description.